In this video, we will show you how to integrate ChatGPT with GPT Connect. If OpenAI is already connected to your account, skip this part and click the link below. Go to Settings, then Integrations. Select OpenAI ChatGPT. Click Connect. To enable ChatGPT, you must provide the API key from the OpenAI website. Go to OpenAI Platform Overview. You have a link to the website on the YouTube description box below. Click on your username at the upper right corner of your screen. Navigate to View API Keys. Here, you create a new secret key and name it for easy reference. Once secret key is generated, copy and paste it inside our ChatBot platform. Next, under Business Information, this is where all the magic begins. Here you will need to provide all information about your business. ChatGPT will use this information to construct responses to answer user queries. Primary information include the following: business location, services offered and pricing, and as well as FAQs. To learn more about ChatGPT prompts, we have created a separate video for you with all kinds of tips and tricks on how to create one. You have the link on the bottom part of this video. Copy the prompt into the business information box. For now, leave GPT 3.5 Turbo as default model. As newer versions get released, GPT Connect AI will also update its list of AI models. Temperature measures the creativity of ChatGPT's replies. The closer the value to 1, the more creative the response will be. Click Continue and set default reply as active, then press Save. Here, we will show you how ChatGPT integrates with your Telegram bot. We go to Settings, Channels, select Telegram, click Connect. Instructions on how to connect the Telegram bot are listed. We need to get the token code from bot father. To link Telegram to GPT Connect, first, we go to our Telegram account and search for bot father. Make sure to select the verified account, which has the blue check on its username. Click Start. Here, there will be a list of commands that you may use in handling your Telegram chatbot. For this example, we need to use the command /newbot. Next, we need to provide a unique ID to be used by our Telegram chatbot. Once done, copy the token to link the Telegram bot. Paste the code into the bot token field. Click Continue. We have successfully connected Telegram to GPT Connect. Time to test our Telegram chatbot. Click the link to chat with your Telegram chatbot. Click Start to initiate a conversation. There you go! We've just showed you how to integrate ChatGPT with Telegram chatbot. Setting OpenAI as our default reply allows ChatGPT to be prioritized in handling default replies for all messaging channels. For assistance and customer support concerns, our dedicated help support team is always available to assist you. Support hotline is provided on the description box below. Also note, when you go back to your GPT Connect inbox, you can access the conversation between the Telegram chatbot and your customer. Here, you can set the bot as active or transfer the conversation to a human customer support. For more integrations, see you on the next video. Thank you for choosing GPT Connect.